Good morning, dear students. We are see the chapter number 2 Pythagoras theorem. We are going to learn application of Pythagoras theorem. Example 2. Example first. In triangle ABC, angle C is a acute angle. Segment AD perpendicular segment BC. Prove that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC. Triangle ABC in the given figure. AB is equal to C, AC is equal to B, AD is equal to P, and BC is equal to A, DC is equal to X, and BD is equal to A minus X. In triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. Is a hypotenuse square. Is a AB square is equal to BD square plus height square is a AD square by Pythagoras theorem. Substituting value is a AB square is a C square is equal to BD square is a minus X square plus AD is a P square. Therefore, C square is equal to A minus X is a minus B square. A minus B bracket square is a square minus 2AX plus X square plus P square is the equation first. In triangle ADC is a right angle triangle. Is a hypotenuse square is equal to AC square is equal to DC square plus AD square is a Pythagoras theorem. Substituting value, AC is a B square is equal to DC is a X square plus AD is a P square. Therefore, P square is equal to B square minus X square in a equation second. Substituting value, of P square from equation second in equation first. Is a C square is equal to A square minus 2AX plus X square plus B square. P value is B square minus X square is a minus X square and plus X square is a cancel. Therefore, C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AX minus AX. Therefore, C square is a AB square. A square is equal to A square is a BC square. B square is a AC square minus 2 multiply by A. A means BC. BC multiply by X means DC. X means the DC is the proof. Is the example is proof. Is a 5 marks question. 5 or 3 marks. 5 or 3 marks question. 3 or 5 marks question is the example. Next one is a second example. Second example, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Angle ACB is a obtuse angle. Angle ACB is a obtuse angle. Is a obtuse angle. Segment AD. Segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. Segment BC. Prove that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into CD. In the given figure, AD perpendicular to BC, AB perpendicular to BC, AD is equal to P, AC is equal to AB is equal to C, DB is equal to A plus EX, BC is equal to A, DC is equal to EX. Next, in triangle ADB is a right angled triangle. Is a right angle triangle. Is a right angle triangle. Angle D is a 90 degree. Is a AD and B. Is a Pythagoras theorem. AB square hypotenuse square and DB square base square plus height square AD square is a Pythagoras theorem. Substituting value, AB is P square. AB is a C square. AB is a C square is equal to DB is a plus EX square plus AD is a P square. Therefore, C square is equal to A square plus 2AX plus EX square plus P square is the equation first. Also triangle ADC angle D is equal to 90 degree. Is the hypotenuse is AC square is equal to DC square plus AD square is a Pythagoras theorem. AC square is B square is equal to DC is X square plus AD is a P square. P square is equal to B square minus X square is the equation second. Therefore substituting equation second in equation first is a C square is equal to A square plus 2AX is a 2AX plus EX square plus P square is a value is B square minus EX square minus X square plus X square is a cancel. C square is equal to A square plus 2AX plus B square, or C square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AX. C square is a AB square, is equal to A means a B square, plus B means a AC square plus 2 multiply A means a BC into BC, and EX means a DC, is the proof equation. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into DC is the true application of this formula. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into 2DC, and equation is AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC is the two example of the equation. Next one is a Apollonius theorem. In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of the side BC. M is the midpoint of the segment BC. Then prove that AB square is equal AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square, 2BM square. Given in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of the side BC. M is the midpoint of the side BC. To prove AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM plus 2BM square. Construction. Draw a segment AD perpendicular to BC. Draw a segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. Proof. Let's consider segment AP, segment AM. AM is not perpendicular, to side BC, then out of angle AMB and angle AMC. One is obtuse angle, and another is acute angle. Is a acute angle. AMB is a obtuse angle, and angle AMC is a acute angle. In triangle AMB is an obtuse angle. Is an obtuse angle. Angle AMB is a obtuse angle. Segment AD segment AD perpendicular to segment BC is a construction therefore AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square is a BM square plus 2BM into MD is the application of Pythagoras theorem. Application of the Pythagoras theorem is the first example is a AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square plus 2BM into 2BM into MD is the application of Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, in triangle AMC angle AMC is a acute angle AD perpendicular to segment BC. Segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. AD perpendicular to MC. MC is a construction. Formula is AC square is the second example. AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square minus 2MC into MD is the first equation. This one is the second equation, is the second example formula and first example formula. Therefore, AB square plus AC square is equal to AM square plus BM square plus 2BM into MD plus AM square plus MC square minus 2MC into MD is the MD. Adding equation first and second. Adding equation first and second. AB square plus AC square is equal to AM is a 2AM square plus BM and MC is the equal BM and MC is the BM square plus BM square. MC means a BM square plus 2BM plus 2BM MD minus 2BM into MD. Reason BM is equal to MC BM is equal to MC.